focus on our final question, example F. This is integrate of 1 over square root of 6x minus 4x squared dx. So let's compare with our formula 1, 2, 3, which is the most similar. Of course, this is similar with formula number 2. Why? Because the whole denominator, you have a square root. Okay, so now let's compare this. However, you cannot compare it straight away because it isn't clear which one is the constant, which one is your variable. So what you should do is just take this function here, and then we need to adjust a little bit. Let's do completing the square. So from 6x minus 4x squared. So if you try to complete the square, this is equal to 9 over 4 minus 4 x minus 3 over 4 squared. So let us substitute the completed square. So we are going from here to here. Okay, so when we have substitute the completed square here, this is very clear that you have something minus something. So you have a constant minus a variable. So now it's very easy to compare. This is our a squared, the constant, minus, and this is our u squared, the variable. So let's do the easier part first, the a squared, the constant. So a squared is 9 over 4, therefore your a is equal to 3 over 2. Now let's focus on our variable. So u squared is equal to 4x minus 3 over 4 squared. So let's adjust this, let's find u. So for u, set 4 is just 2, and square root of this is just x minus 3 over 4. Okay, so this is our u right now. So this one, you can just expand this. Therefore, your u is equal to 2x minus 3 over 2. So now let's differentiate this. Du over dx, this is just equal to 2. And then let us just cross multiply in order to find dx. Therefore, dx is just du over 2. So now we have finished finding whatever is needed. Therefore, let's rewrite this question here. But now this time is in terms of u. 1 over, and then write this in terms of a squared. So 3 over 2 squared minus u squared, and then let's exchange dx. Dx is just du over 2. So now this is new version of our question. So let's just take out 1 over 2 because this is just a constant. It wouldn't help us in integrating. So this is just 1 over 2. Integrate of 1 over square root 3 over 2 squared minus u squared du. So now you are ready to follow this formula here. Because everything here is now perfectly done. This is your a squared, this is your u squared inside the square root. So now let's do this. Let's integrate it, follow the formula. So just write back your 1 over 2. And then this is inverse sine u over a. So this is inverse sine u over 3 over 2. Then don't forget to write plus c. So let's rearrange 3 over 2 here. Just take 2 going up. So this is just 2 over 3u. And then let's exchange our u. Our u is just 2 in bracket x minus 3 over 4 plus c. So in order to find our final answer, let us solve this a little bit. Just expand this, multiply inside. Therefore, the final answer is 1 over 2 inverse sine 4x minus 3 over 3 plus c. Therefore, this is your final answer, and that's the end of this topic. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.